previous video, we covered roadside assistance manual. In this video, we are going to cover 5 important facts that every Tesla owner should know about safety information manual. First fact, owner's manual can be found easily on the touch screen. All you have to do is tap on Tesla icon and then owner's manual, and then you have a list to choose. For example, autopilot, charging, maintenance. I'm going to just click on charging and then electric vehicle components, and then you can just scroll down or up. Second fact, although the seats are adjustable from here, but unfortunately the head supports are not adjustable or you cannot remove them. Third fact, you can fold both rear seats forward by pulling these handles, and there is one more right here, and then you have a nice big storage area here. Fourth fact, make sure you do not use seat covers for the 2 front seats because there is airbag on here and there is one more on this side. So if you use seat covers, then they are going to restrict to deploy the airbags. Last one, Tesla recommends rotating the tires every 6,250 miles. And also, when you get only 2 new tires, it's recommended that you put them on the rear. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share for more upcoming videos. Please leave a comment of what you want to know about Tesla Model 3.